the almighty and the biggest infrastructure project with the health sector since independence, Agenda 111. Now, when Agenda 111 project, say Ghana for him infrastructure, they brought mind we are. Now, come over budget Kufuado. So now, me say, baby, Ghana for because Kufuado is the best president ever to grace this country. One shot, the conversation will be between Kufuado and Yegro Sajefo. But for now, you have arguments in the tongue. Meaning, I wouldn't imagine that 111. Kufuado, and no crowd here, Yegro Baumia, and the Office of the Vice President, a year research on our health sector. Normally, research normally realizes about 88 districts. What Ghana almost need district hospitals. What you say? Almost need district hospitals. So apart from the clinics, any the rural chip compounds now omu say bani say omunya critical issue. Na so omu pese omu peja patient no at the core hospital kesiye mu a was so movie if either their district to another district or from their district to regional. And by the time I will be do one, maybe a new panocrampo. What share no?
Yeah.
What you say? So, about me, I research no more say about 88 into or the command president. About 88 districts in this country only need district hospitals. So they rely on either private hospitals and answer their chip compounds and the health centers or clinics. And then no, by the time I back so transporting from one district to the other district, maybe a nipa no cry, what share nkwa. Until we see making sure say at least every district in hospitals. A district hospitals are well modernized, well established. A bit me so many man for within their own district, and what say you transport from one district to the other. Now the command president, and so J no here comprehensive analysis. Now here comprehensive analysis, who said it is even more than the 88. In fact, a 104. What you say? A 104. And any year in Agenda 1, so the Agenda 111 a 104 district hospitals, any 7 regional hospitals, any 2 regional psychiatric hospital, any 1 national psychiatric hospital. No, Accra psychiatric. Maybe we end today because
it's even late here.
So with Agenda 111, as I said, 100 and in fact 114 projects in Kufuado. Across the length and breadth of Ghana. And this project here, to me, you will see how a Ghana health sector because from at least every district, let's say 261 districts now you're women. A district hospitals, aside the chip compounds, aside the health centers, and then the clinics are your one. A district hospital as simple. Obi yare na ye transporting na say ye critical and once you moving from one district to the other and was you to be making sure say between asan yare within omo district, and that is why I could follow that. And when discriminating, now I'm going to take it from region by region. Now how we could follow when discriminating in making sure say all check sa Agenda 111 project way. And it saddens my heart when I see Ghanaians saying say Agenda 111 create the year. No, I'm also not more. What you say? On my team, Galam say, Yaleka, you want to see. We are the same people fighting health facilities. And they will finish and go and tout Mahama say, or your infrastructure kinos, or your visionary, whatever. I don't even know why they even give him that title. But let's go back. Now, let me start with Ahafo region. So with Ahafo region, Kufuado Momu 2 projects. Half a region. Now, a Kufuado Momubako, Kukum, I work as soon for South. And the Kufuado Momubako, Kenya, I have Kenya, I work as Tiffin North. A Kufuado Momo, Agenda 111, there were also 2 Agenda 111 for Ahafo region. Now, what about Ashanti region? And I am it is a Minianuma Santa for a Cassa MPP by a Dana Maya Maya, Jack, a coming soon. And meaning a coming soon because we besame say aso senka eye sebi paint pen and casante pa nke bia komu catch Akufo Addo and ke betumi ni the luxury paints any azar assign contracts mun painti Asante region nyina say no kwa na Asante papa me wogidie say nya no pe na Asante pe na mum NDC fo a omanya akonya to aba wa Asante region enya run propaganda sa Asante the Asante pa ni see ye paint go interchange ho because I was wo person wo pempuntu wo the ama Asante man we in terms of population we Greater Accra region fewer Asante man and to so you know.
Yes.
So a regional was here making sure say the infrastructures any development back on more was say no the critical thing that you need to I rally and calling for but not say you for painting the good down. Now who Ashanti regional Akufo Addo momo project mako about 20. Now me baba boboso ma me sha say die dikan and ubetumi amake amame Akufo Addo ema ba ko wo trade ai wo atwema kwa ahoma trade atwema kwa ahoma 1 Akufo Addo ma ba ko wo kokoben now eno na ewo kokoben ofori krum eno ya wie manye si ho up to date and this person baby ano so eno wo kokoben ai wo ofori krum municipal ye wo ba ko boaman we fija kwa abre north ye obako barakese we atweman wa bieja north ye obako adanse asokwa we adanse asokwa ye obako so wa asiwa we bosome frɛ ho ye obako kode we fija kwa abre south ye obako manso adubia we manse south ye obako nyinahini we atweman ponua ye obako mankranso we hafo ano south ye obako adujama wa hafo no south east ye wabako ejiso onrin wo ejiso enokra de psychiatric hospital ye wabako insuta wo sechere central ye wabako asokore mampon wo asokore mampon ye wabako ejura wo ejura sechere dumase ye wabako akrofuom wo akrofuom ye wabako tutuka wo oboase east ye wabako wade wo Kwabere East yo baako Ampame wo Bantama Sub Metro yo baako Menhia wo Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. So these are the 20 agenda 111 project Akufo Addo edema Ashanti region me pacho ya let's say edu 20 anase ndu
no I put 20 come so 21 no say me na man train ya better edu 20 of course
20 pepepe.
Okay.
Thank you.
And I mean be a mistake. Yeah.
Inti yenuanu ma mo Ashanti region. Se mo se mo pe development se mo pe se ye build the health sector in Ashanti region. Na ye independent on Konfanoche nko. These are the major projects aside the others you know. These are major infrastructure
in one region. Incredible.
Yes. Ye dema Ashanti region. Say you to me complete project where ebema santemanya dimu agina ne nan so ahwe ne manfo ama santeman pomuden agina adimu enti yesramo se mo pa bibipa apre e de akokotokwa mo mpre sa project we ifi yewra mahama no wie emamo eno e de mema ebema region no agina ne nan so ye wie ye nko bono na okobono a Akufo Addo mo 3 oma mo ba ko amesu doma. Now, sa hospital we cry there. Mesan cry can one same because doma hene de one dance here dada. Embra yewra mahama eko doma eka so kwakọ ye 24-hour market no. Yewra doma hene eka se mi catch and say. Yewra mahama market ne de Akufo Addo aba be sibia ma yen dada. Na momo wie ye no anso ha. Osanso ma yen hospital ya agenda 111. Eti yesrawo Sikana wode ba besi 24-hour market amaye no. Fa be wie agenda 111 na yewra nanado SSC amesu esi mi nchen he ya na ensom yen. That is the demand that doma hene ebisa ye from yewra mahama. Enti ne ho yewra nanado danko Akufo Addo emomo agenda 111. Owie ye ode ba koso ko odumase wo Sunyane West. Owie oseba odebako so ko gene wo Brekum West enti no mo nso bono enyamiensa anso ho nanado eko bono East on se bono na afi ya chem ye bono ne ye wo bono East
Yes.
So Nana Addo echo Bono East. Now Bono East is Nana Addo mom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now a honsu nya 5. Now baako ewo Tuyabodom, ewo Techima North, baako wo Kejaji, ewo Sene East, baako wo Prang, ewo Pru West, baako wo Busunya, ewo Nkuransa North, ena baako wo Nkuransa Nkasa, no so wo Nkuransa. So wofa Bono any Bono Easter, omunkwa enya about 8 Agenda 111 projects.
Yeah.
Now, yanko Central Region. Now, Central Region su dieni. Central Region enya baako Afranse ewo Gomwa Central. Central Region nya baako Lower Denchira ewo Twifohiman. Central Region enya baako Inswayem Chechere ewo Ascent South. Baako Ewutu Breku ewo Ewutu Senya. Baako Asin Breku ewo Asin North. Baako Diaso ewo Upper Denchira West. Ena baako Kaswa ewo Ewutu Senya East. Into Central Region sunya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Agenda 111 project. Now, yambra Miami DM ye Eastern Region. Eastern Region yenya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now,
wow.
Eastern Region yenya baako Abomusu ewo Etiwa West. Yenya baako Apegesu ewo Eswojaman. Yenya baako Akips Wedru ewo Brem South. Yenya baako Ofuase ewo Achimansa. Yenya baako Insaba ewo Agona East. Yenya baako Manso ewo Asene Manso Akroso. Yenya baako Tiase ewo Kwewu Afram Plain South. Yenya baako Osino ewo Fantiakwa South. Yenya baako Adeso ewo Upper West Akem. Yenya baako Abetifi ewo Kwewu East. So Eastern Region Akufo-Addo ema yen baako 10.
Yeah. Wow.
Now, yanko Greater Accra Region.
Wow.
Greater Accra Region enya baako ewo Ningo Pram. Akwana wa yese Lufthansa no, Sam George. Nimpeswaso. Onya baako ewo Ningo Pram. Yese enya baako Sowutuom ewo Ga Central. Yenya baako Sege ewo Adan West. Yenya baako Adenta ewo Adenta Municipal. Yenya baako Madina ewo Lankwantanan. Yenya baako Ingris na Manfo ewo Ga South. Yenya baako Dansoman ewo Ablekuma West Municipal. Yenya baako Agbeborosi ewo Ablekuma Central. Yenya baako Kaneshi ewo AMA Accra Metropolitan Assembly. Yenya baako Ashaiman ewo Ashaiman. Yenya baako Texpo ewo Tema West. Yenya baako Jowulu ewo Ayawaso West. So Greater Accra Region enya about 12 ananeboa.
Yeah, I think 13. I don't know if I made a mistake.
Okay, so it is 12 for Greater Accra Region. Now, here Greater Accra Region, yensane enko North East, baby a yewa Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia Efi. Now, Okon of East are almost about 6
Agenda 111 project.
6 constituencies. Akufo-Addo momo 4. Now, omunya baako Yagaba ewo Mamprugu Mwanduri. Almost enya baako Bunkurugu Nyankwanduri. Omunya baako Yonyo Yonyo Naswan. Almost enya baako Chirepone Chirepone. Iti North East enya 4. Now yanko Northern Region akasa. Northern Region enya baako Sabelugu. Omunya baako Sabelugu Municipal. Omunya baako Sang Mion. Omunya baako Nanton. Nanton. Omunya baako Saboba. Omunya baako Tamale. No crowd psychiatric hospital. Omunya baako Pandai. Omunya baako Wulensi. Omunya baako Sanarigu. Omunya baako Kumbugu. Omunya baako Karaga. Into what kind about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, 10. Yeah.
Okay. So Akufo-Addo almost about 10 projects our Northern Region. Yanko Oti was part of voter region and yet if he voted Oti Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo 4 hospitals. Now Yenyabaku KJB Yenyabaku Pasa I want Kwantan and Kwantan of Yenyabaku Chinderi I want Krachi into Muru ɛne yɛnya baako wɔ Gyase kan a ɛwɔ Gyase kan ti baako 4 ɛwɔ Oti region na Addo wieye ɔkɔ Mahama region Mahama na region ɛwɔ Savannah now ɛhɔ nso ɔmɔm 2 ɔmɔm baako wɔ Daboya ɛwɔ North Gonja ɛna ɔmɔm baako wɔ Palbi a ɛwɔ North East Gonja ɛno nso ɔde ma Savannah na Addo wieye ɔkɔ Upper East. Now, Upper East, Addo momo about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, omomo so bako Garu, bako Paga, bako Pusiga, bako Zuarungu, bako Binduri, bako Tempane, bako Fumbisi, bako Nangodi. So, about 8 Agenda 111 projects in the Upper East region. Owieye anso ha oko Upper West. Upper West Addo emomo about 5. Omabako Lambusi. Omabako Wenchiao ayewo wa West. Omabako Golu ayewo Sisala West. Omabako Isa ayewo Dafiama Busi Isa. Into omomo about 4. Now, Ekufa Omamo 5, where Upper West in your 5. Owieye Oba Volta region. Now, Volta region, Omamo Bako Avedapa, Ewo Akachi North. Omamo Bako Peve, Ewo South Dai. Omabako Adakuruwanya, Ewo Adakuru. Omabako V Golukwati, Ewo Afajatu South. Omabako Angloga, Ewo Angloga. And then Sionokura Air from Wakoepono. Angloga Kuno, Ediako.
Oh,
Owieye, Omabako Joloputa, Ewo Ho West, Omabako Petoi, Ewo Agotime Ziope, Omabako Akachi, Ewo Akachi. So voter in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So voter region in 8. What the Koka Oti and Omunya about 13.
Yeah.
Yembra Western region enya 2 omunya bako Bukuro ewa Hunter West no omunya bako Mpoho. Now yanko Western North enya 3 omunya bako Bodi no omunya bako Adabokrum ewa Bia East no omunya bako Dadieso ewa Swaman. So yabobo about 105 district hospitals. Now yabiye yensanko Bono East Ekufuado emom Techiman Regional Hospital. Okay, I say me catch say Agenda 111 about 105 district hospitals and then about 7 psychiatric hospitals and 7 regional hospitals. So now, show Ekufuado you who say you how many regions? You about 16 regions. Ekufuado who so about 7 regions. You know, only need regional hospital. In Tianonso of fire, say I was see regional hospital then now Oko Bono East or Momo Techiman Regional Hospital, Oko Ahafo or Momo Goso Regional Hospital, Oko Savannah Yamahama Kurumua, Wababedi President, Wabedi Vice, Abedi President 1.0 as Abedi President, no Muni Regional Hospital, Eyama Ekufuado Nebemo Damango Regional Hospital. Ekufuado Nebema North East, Baumia Krum, Obemom Nalerigu Regional Hospital. Enoko Western North, Enomom Sefirio also Regional Hospital. Enoko Oti, Enomom Dambai Regional Hospital. Enoko Western Region, Enomom Agonan Kwanta Regional Hospital. Enoko the same Western Region, Enomom Efia Kwanta Hospital Rehabilitation. So when we say Oko Western Regional, Omo Efia Kwanta Hospital, Regional Hospital. But Ekufuado will say was here rehabilitating, no. But you could no crown so why was here some Agona Quanta, another regional hospital. So Western region Kwan ye Agona Quanta with about 2 regional hospitals. Because Western region Ekufuado that's what build the Western region because when would you what temano? Yeah. Build it man. Ekufuado you're not doing say the Western corridor or build it. And nothing I wish or the ports echo Western region. What you say? And or the oil terminal, as and the Kokan, the Western port, Western region port, and also the Western Corridor Fiber Optic project, a do time I call technology, fiber optics, digitalization. We will highlight those projects also by Emfa and chain. So Akufo-Addo was so keen when it comes to Western region. Now, Greater Accra region, so on my Accra Psychiatric Hospital redevelopment. So these are the 114 projects highlighted under the famous Agenda 111 project Akufo-Addo AC. So in as much as it is Agenda 111, 114 projects in Akufo-Addo AC, Ediama Oman Ghana. And then there were various stages of completion. Aban we are catching said they cannot complete Agenda 111 within 4 years. Yeah. So now, when we are done with Agenda 111 project, now let's come your project be your treatment and holding centers. Treatment and holding centers, and also Akufo-Addo STT every year. It's me about 13 treatment and holding centers Akufo-Addo shall every year. And Kaisem amount 47 projects started and completed hospitals and clinics Akufo-Addo shall every year. Mama iPad clinics Akufo-Addo shall every year. Mama project Akufo-Addo shall say when we Masama Agenda 111 about various stages of completion. Mesamba amount treatment holding centers Akufo-Addo shall say every year. Now about 13. Baku Ododowa 20 bed treatment and holding center. Baku Pantan, Baku Cape Coast, Baku Elubu, and 21 bed. Baku Keta, and 21 bed. Baku Kolebu Fevers units. Baku Siwa, and yes, Siwa hospital, where Siwa Akufo-Addo C treatment and holding center at the moment started and completed done. Baku Kumasi South, and 21 bed done. Dodowa, the plus 6 staff bungalows. So you need a serious, yes, also the 6 staff bungalows assigned the car home. Akufo-Addo san eko Aflawo omomo 21 bed. Akufo-Addo san ko Zebila omomo 36 bed. Akufo-Addo san ba Adakulu. Wasanso ewie no so. Ena Pantan. Wasanso CB wo ho no ewie. So about 13 treatment and holding centers Akufo-Addo shall say ewie eni. Now yewie no Osanso wo ongoing I no see treatment and holding centers and when we me babebo boss and you see about 7 as I mean so one. Yes, the uncompleted ones are about 7 now as I mean so a 20 bed and you know what as at April 2024 now about 90% completion go also 20 bed and Nalerigu 36 bed Sunyane 36 bed and Akoforibia 21 bed and in Kenkensu and also 20 bed and a Fian Quanta research lab and so Simaya and a face in Sawem and so the way ongoing when we ongoing so about 7 or 8 projects Akufo-Addo shall a treatment and holding centers when we but there are about 13 and year into what they no kokekani abo bonus wa bet my list and all this project is under Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo now yanko project start inherited project Akufo-Addo ebe inherited. So these are project Akufo-Addo by your better say yes see wo honom na mum yanwie into aba betwa so a complete now tie the edikan Formina Hospital, Akufo-Addo by now uncompleted. It was started by the NDC, Akufo-Addo Nebewiye. Kumewu started by the NDC, Akufo-Addo Nebewiye. Takrado Hospital Staff Accommodation, Akufo-Addo Nebewiye. Bekwai, it was started, Bekwai Krade, it goes back to 1970. It was started by Achiampong, Akufo-Addo Nebewiye. Now, Radiotherapy and Nuclear Medicine Service Center at Konfanoche and also Akufo-Addo in a baby. Now, Assignment Polyclinic, Akufo-Addo in a baby. Now, Oko Adentan Obojo Polyclinic, Akufo-Addo in a baby. Botiano Polyclinic, Akufo-Addo in a baby. Oduman Polyclinic, Akufo-Addo in a baby. Sege Polyclinic, Akufo-Addo in a baby. Weta Polyclinic, Akufo-Addo in a baby. So manya Polyclinic Akufo-Addo Nebewiye Tolong Akufo-Addo ne bewie Sola Akufo-Addo ne bewie Bupe Akufo-Addo ne bewie Bamboy Akufo-Addo ne bewie. So these projects are inherited projects Akufo-Addo betoye ewo various stages of completion or making sure so no so bewie e di amount mine. So we eye di obetoye ono so wie. So we share all these health facilities Maboso and spending over 1 hour. And Yaboboso the amount started by Akufo-Addo or initiated or completed by Akufo-Addo. Now say we now be catch them and say when it comes to infrastructure at the health sector, the NDC have a track record over the MPP. Then I do not know what fact you are referring to. And nothing I say. Mona moye Ghana for na mosemope accountability no. You qualify to ask for accountability or demand for it, but do not put the NPP and the NDC in the same bracket because you have been able to give the NDC 31 years out of the 69 years at Ghana. You know, even in Nkrumah Benya independence ma Ghana, odi 9 years pe. Nkrumah no nya independence ma o man Ghana no, odi mu 9 pe. The NDC edmutektewa with the PNDC and NDC bomwa o the ombeka say o PNDC kra dey film no problem. PNDC under Rawlings at the 11 solid years. NDC under Rawlings, Mills, Mahama already about 20 years. So also beka PNDC NDC abomo 31 years Ghana for their mom. They have had the majority of years in serving this country. Bisomo said, what have they done with those years now with the mom? And then come to the NPP. Nabe Bisa NPP so said, we have given you 16 years. President Kufuor's 8 years, Akufo-Addo's 8 years. What have you also done with your 16 years? Put us on the table or put us behind the microphones. Let us debate to issues by issues, sector by sector. Let us put our records out. When we put our records out, now say the NDC has performed better than the MPP. Give them another year to continue or another term to continue. But if the MPP has performed more than the NDC, then it should tell you one thing. It should tell you that the NDC do not deserve an opportunity to be handed over power to control or to rule this country. Because if they couldn't do anything with 31 years, then they can never do anything with 4 years. And that is why I always say, sir, you can never compare the NDC to the MPP when it comes to policies or when it comes to infrastructure, when it comes to the development of this country. When you take the 16 years of the NPP from this country's development, this country will go back to abyss. It will go back to village. Ghana will be a rural country. Because it is the NPP that have developed this country to become an urban country, whereby today people feel safe, feel said they can visit Ghana. Ghana is a destination they can come and they can rely on. It is the NPP that developed Ghana. Go back to history, go back to archives, and you will attest to what I am saying. So nobody, until the Ghanaian ask for accountability, until accountability is rendered, until the balances are done, nobody should put us on the same pedestal and say the NPP and the NDC are the same. We are never the same. We will never be the same. The NPP stands for development. That is why we say development in freedom. We believe that a country can be developed when freedom is given, when democracy is practiced, when the people believe and feel what you are serving them. And that is what we have given. So, of course, you can be angry with us. You see, Raz, NPP, and this will be my last statement and I will drop.
Okay.
I am going to tell you the difference between the MPP and the NDC and how Ghanaians see us. Now, politics, and governance, and yepe.
Oh, of course, it's completely two different things. Yeah.
Now, the NDC know how to do politics.
A lot.
Now, politics thrives on propaganda and perception. Politics, it thrives on propaganda and perception. So, yanka sembima ene nokrenyepe. That is propaganda. You create a narrative about what is going on. That is perception. So at the end, almost here to say, Debbie, let us create a narrative, and I say, let us create a perception that this is how the thing need to be. So, for instance, when the Kufado is saying agenda 111, they say, oh, Debbie, we will do something better. They create a perception for people to believe in. And these two things, propaganda and perception, wins the heart of the people. And through that, the people cast their vote or support your deal. So that is how you win power through politics.
Yeah.
Now, when power is handed over, the young people don't know how to do politics. Now, through propaganda and perception, we brainwash people to take what belongs to them. So we make them feel, say, and that is brainwashing. So they brainwash people to believe, say, whatever they are saying, that is the truth and the ultimate truth. That is what the NDC know how to do, and they win power through that. Then we come to governance. You see, governance thrives on realism and truism.
Yes.
Realism and truism. Now, with governance, and seminar, the propaganda and perception, when you win power, you have to govern people. And that is where your propaganda and perception has to reflect. It has to translate to realism and truism. There has to be reality. Today, what are we seeing with the NDC? They did a lot of propaganda. They created a lot of perception. Today, Ghanaians are asking for the reality and they are nowhere to be found. So this is where governance comes in. That is the stronghold of the NPP. The NPP don't know how to do politics. So you hear the people saying, NPP for communication, NPP for how tone and no. So in 2024, for instance, Ghanaians were saying, and because we weren't able to do the politics. But today, 1 year on, the same Ghanaians are saying, say Akufo-Addo Buomani ye na said, so now that is the reality of governance. And why? It is because when they followed propaganda and perception, expecting results through reality and truism, the government of the day is not able to deliver. And that is Mahama.
Yeah.
So the separate between NPP and NDC is that the NDC know how to do politics, the NPP know how to do governance. The NDC thrives on propaganda and perception to win power. The NPP thrives on truism, the reality and truism, governance to win power. So when we go to campaign, the NPP convince people to believe what they are selling and vote for them. The NDC brainwash people to believe what they are saying and not what the people know. There is difference between convincing and brainwashing.
Yeah, of course.
That is why the little mistake the NPP will do, Ghanaians will chastise us. You know why? Because Ghanaian, or when a perception, you just convince the person. The fact that you convince the person does not mean, say, you have taken control and in charge of the person's mind in totality.
Absolutely not.
Good. So the person have a little iota of criticism when you do not do what you convince them of. And that is why mostly people criticize us more than the NDC. Today, you see, even when the NDC is performing worse, people are still defending. The clergy are defending, the CSOs are defending, the media is defending, the propagandists are defending, and the people who can talk, some of them have also shut up. Now, when you take that out, you see this narrative that I've given you, there is a marking scheme for these two political parties are the back end of the ordinary Ghanaian and a reflected voluntarily. And should I say voluntarily or involuntarily, but whichever way it reflects when it comes to casting a vote or casting a verdict on these two political parties. Now, look, example now, and you would understand what I'm about to say. I'm school, so I'm very good with English, right? Yeah. And my English teacher, class test or set a marking scheme. Now, I see I was so be 80. And that very class test now you try, the whole class, me kwa na me 72. And ya boy ya me 72, even though me 80, but me 72. And obi and you 72. So I felt like, well, and now autumn ice kinky and a pie. And so I said you bet me the highest no, obenya 80 no, obema ice kinky and a pie. And me feel say, well, benya 72 no be and be there. Then me na me ice kinky and a pie no. And all the ojo exams paper say we jina ha. O pake ye mu bia nya highest no one side. So I thought say ye baba ji ice kinky no na eja. Ye ja check ye how far. Now there is this girl away in class, their friend Dora. Dora, you try English and the highest awenya baba so 40. And in that particular test, Dora nya 52.
Oh, so I couldn't name.
Only man Dora ice kinky any meat pie. And your man Dora ice kinky any meat pie when you're 52. I'm saying, and you're fat. Dora the 52 are ice kinky pie there. And you're 72 years with them. We are not see Dora and quite an answer. Then I say, Monfre, your madam or your bar. Then I say, Monfre teacher, mamma, you know mine, Sir Alex, and Sir Anthony. O mobile, I say, one crop away on my head. Bobia mumbo bia 3 so teacher me no bia ntwa 3 into 6 but when some will no jira hom obia man strong 4
wow
che rax enya ba na ye bo me ne ma me sum ya na ye me yaw eye the fact say me fele say me nya 72 na me deserve say me na wosen ka me nya meat pie any ice cake na do re nya 52 nya ma ni ice cake ne pie na ono ne ya nhwe no na omo nya less than 72 ya sa bo mo 3 na me na menya 72 ya bo me 4 me do nyankopon mi sunya ma and then me madam no me ne sha dan ye free even though of vindicate in the next exams because I never understood what she did. Now the next class test minya 80 pepepe what do you throw go me mark Nassen. Very good. This is what I expected. And that was the last test I tried near the mock I tried near the Kwakoto BC. So our trust has someone, even though well, and my miss like a cramming ice cake, but still, me come and tell me because I felt like Sabana or more shame and a dear. So when I mean, you know, and I'm at CSS, sometimes people expect you to do more.
Yeah.
So even if you go closer to more, the fact that they have an expectation, they have a standard for you. If you are not able to hit that standard, even if you get close, they will mark you down.
Yeah.
And there are people, they expect them to do least. So even when they go above the least, they will mark them up. That is the marking scheme at Ghana for on the NPP and the NDC. When the NPP had the opportunity to govern this country, they made sure, say, they developed this country, and that has become the standard.
Yeah. All members of the country,
Whenever the voter turnout goes up, the NPP win the election.
Yes.
Whenever the voter turnout goes down, the NDC win the election. Why? Because whenever Ghanaians decide that they want to all go out and vote for change, they vote for the NPP. They do that because they believe, say, and Yama say, NPP in the bit my then SCAC.
Yeah.
Now, when they decide, say, you go for young koto, because you need GDA BMO, then they relax. The NDC wins. So when the voter turnout goes down, the NDC wins. Why? Because they least expect something better from the NDC. In Tomono, they know so NDC, the Oma 5 or 2. It is to me 2.5 and not 3.
Yeah, of course.
So that is why today, even when Mahama is performing abysmally, you still see people hyping him. So you ask, what are you people say, that year Kufadu ye no Ghana for us on yet. But adia mama ye kakra bi so no mom ye bona baso. She will not understand. But what to me as sen when yanti ase any say ya, always be abubefu. What you say? Always be abubefu. But I also say one thing. Ghana for that suban be they vote based on experience. So now they weigh A and then they weigh B and then they make a decision on it. And that is why some of us, we have the belief say it is highly possible the NPP will win 2028 election. Because most of the key things are Ghana for way in 2024. And then this year disappoint you. One,
just worse.
Say Ghana ni ka say free SHS. Mahama see free SHS na kufu adwa ye but wanya ne papa. Ye ba be ne papa and ogyina niema mienu so. And no de say Ghana ni bo. Or say one. Double track system ni ye ba ye be ye free within 90 days. And then or buy no or see your man up to 2027 and say no bet me double track system if you. Or see on no two or ba and kwala na aduane die no or be make sure say ye be yi the buffer stock system na free ho. Near the sikana kwa koma school authority no mo dey feeding kwala na koto dwan na manya punch na mo ne den the man kwala no. Today as I speak with you, last week na Charles Air threaten say si entumi amom muska for feeding na omo be close senior high schools ne down. And that is not the first time. In 2014, the whole northern regions, you close about 80 schools down because of feeding fee. So if it repeats now, it is not the first time. It is Mahama and Nyenenam. So if and then Awufu be Kotuaba in 2024 because there was a belief that even though you experience a Kufuado 2 years school fees in Ramayen, a Kufuado 1 J printing fee, a Kufuado even Pasco Crotoma Yemba, a Kufuado classes fee no 2 years, what young Bomoka. Now say you compared to Mahama and the Waba classes fee project, ye feeding fee, a few crowd ye manocra and say Momo Dianepa, Bosch or say as Oba to me, idea. Then between these two MPPs free SHS. And this is free SHS. May experience it. About Kotoswaba. Baby, you are then go Motibe 2028 in a better. Segan and Nika said $1. Because see, today, Ras may cast them reaction. The reason why the NDC is pumping so much to make sure that the dollar will be where it is. And yes, it is 2028 election. And there is a reason why you see the growing hype. Say, okay, then auto forcing will be coming. The only reason why they think auto forcing has a chance is because of the dollar stabilization or more, the artificial dollar stabilization or more, because they feel that will give auto forcing a debate against Baumia. But you see, they have forgotten one thing. Bro, I'm telling you right now. Today, if you go to the farmers, and I'm going to give you an example. So, Ras, BFN say we're a farmer, right?
Yeah.
Now, under Kufuado, there's $15. Now we do emo 1 acre. Sa emo na we do 1 acre. Odo acre biya, obo hoka 2,500. So obe fa powerful, obe to fertilizer, obe so obe pamna di adi nyina no. Obo hoka 2,500 per acre.
Okay.
Now sa acre no, udo ni nyina wie na wo pam na wo dua emo no na wo twa emo na, unya about 10 bags. So 10 bags, no, and the Kufuado, no, not 10 bag, a bag of rice, no, about 1,000 cedis. So 1,000 cedis, no, who turn with 10 bags, and just open 10,000 cedis, my boy.
Yeah.
Now, who 10,000, who want to phone that of one so better. Now, who turn as a farmer, no turn and more 10 bags, you now 10,000. No, I could say a canna. Oh boy, I did do a phone a palm, which is 2,500, my boy.
Yes.
And to 2,500, Union Faso 7,500. Okay. Fair not to home. And then Mahama ba or say $1 ba form. $1 never form ni kuyanino or do the same acre of land. A car or bo o dear fanasa ne cannot drop it from 2,500 to 2,000. Mamen fanasa. I drop it from 2,000 to 2,000 to about 2,000 and they adore the same acre upon. We are try the same bags of rice, which is 10. And then a mona drop it, a more per bag, and I drop it from 1,000 to about 450, or 500. Even though almost 400, 453, 80, 500 more. So I drop it from 1,000 to 500. Naturally, say, and the Kuyanino, extra 10 bags now, or Kotuma, Obina 5,000. 5,000 on your babette, a car or boy at the door, a phone, which is 2,000. And to attend 2,000 from Obina, 3,000.
3,000, yeah.
It is now, Kuyanini Bisana won't say, and $1 was so Nami 7,500. Nami out of 4. Ya top Emma Minya Misika. Me so be to me spend the Emma Bakuru. And the dollar bafom. Me cotton the same 10 bags of rice now. Minya 5,000. Me tete me car minya 3,000. So 5,000 me kwanse me say out of where monaka or warehouse Emma need dollar more.
Yeah, obi kura ni obi kura manen tom mame.
Enti ende se me ye kuyani. Na se mi ko gina dollar so na me kɔto aba na me bisa me say dollar ne ba ya ma me mo na beka dem a me nya to for price ne so drop ya masan boka because hey ras ade ba ko wo ni se kuyani bi wo ko bo bosia in 2024
yeah of course
and odia bo afu no na watwa 2025 enti ende se price ne drop ya automatically no bosia no ko bo ye with interest no or 1 year to pay no wa boka and Sanka was said, Utabeye 20 bags of rice, Editia Sakan, and then I was about 40 bags of rice.
Yeah.
Editia Sakan. And Monos wa Yensan top. Why? Because I buy no man dollar in the bar from you see currency stabilization and now say depreciation and appreciation of the exchange rate, you know. A one soon so. Se kosra a wadiye.
Yeah.
A bar from one. Now, I buy way by an urban or promise a Ghana for a dear back. In fact, and yama me or say, or Baba running import substitution. Now I run an export led economy. The person training and say, may make sure say, and yama ya credible my way will be brain. Ya better so.
Yeah.
No mumun and yama ye produce or have be brain. Ya cradiaco. Now, so what cast as someone, the children say, we see Cassam so come because, and then, so woman will see, you know, a stronger against the foreign currency now, automatically, no, a man you are about to have the from a man on, no, a man was one year money boy then, a year day man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mammy Bissau, I didn't know, so who could have $1 now what's America? On found Cotadia or America, and more the back China. Akoto.
Say your currency value no you have here, so you can buy more.
So idea $1 better idea back US and all the China bet not to be a million. So Obakoto China than so better America. So it is the same thing, and the reason is China making sure so we're devaluing the currency against the foreign currencies. Why? Because you focus your exports. Until once I ultimately produce more no person or exporting, and when you say so money currency in dollar year pa, obi will be America better. Because Sadia no $1 or China, no $1 or US. I don't mean shipping fee for China and cotton. What you say? It will devalue the at the auto form because the focus is so person run export. So when you want to run export, now person will import substitution. Idea back one a discouraging import a currency appreciation. Said foreign currency no was so against your currency now. And many panel for said because send $18 on stop it.
Of course.
Ebema almost a produce bebre wahano ebenya market. Because the yankra bebre amba. There is no competition. So it creates a market avenue for the local producers. But today, what the government has created rather is that we're creating a span space for the importers, even inferior goods at the back, system way cheaper. So those cheap goods are competing with the local products. Meanwhile, the cost of production,
yes, because of the dollar rate.
The local producer or bread, or the importer no collect cheaper produce at the bar. No, at the suppressing the local producer and into the monarchy warehouse ayento. Because rubber ebu marketer ye turn 60 cedis, 70 cedis. Into when the barber to local rice maybe a turn 90 cedis.
On top.
Aside that, the taste, Ghana for I would taste for foreign goods.
Yeah.
So whether you papa, what you say. So that is also another reason why Equiaforno or Mobre. So now, if you go to the dollar analysis net, American. Anyone who dollar now officer to force the above for multi-dollar back down be a could not create near treachery near Memutra and why the end of Befa. Why the end of one?
Obebu and this in all the second bonus.
Semeka Chequian says, Sadia, give me opportunity and then let us find an equilibrium for the exchange rate. If you want to produce and sell, because there is a reason why Akufo-Addo brought in the after headquarters to Ghana. Because the idea is that we want to create a market avenue whereby we can feed the African sub-region.
Yeah.
So in creating that market avenue, you need to make sure so you are producing more and your mode of exchange, your currency exchange, and your war amanono or babeta.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So there was a reason. Today, the after market is not working because the cost of production in Ghana is expensive. The cost of production in Ghana, it was to the extent say, your foreign and babeta. Or who is any boarding into alternative. That is one reason why it affected cocoa.
Yeah, of course.
Secondly, when the time comes for us to talk about cocoa, we will go into that deeper. I'm not going to go there today. But by way, they lack something called forecasting. Share a memo and yen yebumai more china.
Yeah.
It will your friend forecasting. That is why I have a problem with the people who tout John Dramani Mahama as a visionary leader. Because Mahama is never a visionary leader, my brother. When you say a visionary leader, it has to be somebody who sees way beyond where we see.
Yeah.
It means the person has to be proactive and not reactive. And me, I am saying, the visionary leader Ghana is Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, President Kufuor, and then the most visionary is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He is to come. Because look, Bawumia's projection of Ghana's economy, he did that in 2021, 2022, and today we are living it.
Yeah.
When the time comes, we will talk about the domestic gold purchasing program.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to talk about that today too. I have a lot. In fact, when you give me by 20 hours, I can talk and talk.
No, I will. If you want, we can schedule at least one time a week with me here. If only you have time.
No problem. For this week, next week, I'll be writing exams. Okay. So when I'm done with my exams, and then I will send me to form.
Oh, I'll come here.
Yeah. So I think I will be free for us to do this politics.
So I'll talk with George, and we'll try to organize ourselves to have shows.
No problem.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we have.
And we will do it sector by sector.
Yeah, very informative. Very informative. It is necessary.
I bet you, there is no sector the NDC will beat the MPP to it. No sector. Whether policy, whether initiatives, whether infrastructure, whatsoever you think, there is no sector, as far as Ghana's development is concerned, our NDC will beat the MPP to it. Never. And me, George Newa Hebisano, I have my challenge the Atwa. So I want a day whereby Ghanaian youth would rise and say, look, we want to run a debate. We want a conversation from 1957, EBEPIM 2026, or whichever year it will be. Government upon government. We are going to debate on contributing to the development of this country. And me, I have chosen to debate on behalf of Nana Addo Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Bring it on from 1957 to today. I would debate for Bawumia, I would debate for Nana Addo. And let's take it sector by sector. And you will hear. Obetensem, Adwuma Akufo-Addo I swear.
Papa no about Juma, Papa the Ghana for we allow ourselves to be fools. To be fools by the NDC.
It is incomparable. Adwuma Akufo-Addo bro, 8 years. Sike be Akufo-Addo nsem. And I no maka say Akufo-Addo abroka as you be. A day will come to talk about it. George, did you own my yes analysis in
but I was young for transfer 4 hours.
Things are COVID-19 by COVID-19 by every businessman in the country. Nana Addo Akufo-Addo and almost got the business. COVID-19 by every businessman on man capital and shared business. But today that same businessman Nana Addo Akufo-Addo and then the airport and the NDC use AI in a determined duty on top of containers or ports and then NDC. So information there dozen.
Oh George, yeah, Bible more than some TikTok until I know one day a week, but the to share money.
The here is over texting me so and he bet me I'll just contact him. He is ever ready.
I see.
He is ever ready.
I see. George, I'm in for here.